Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today's the second Tuesday of June of 2025. That means that today, June the 10th, it is Patch Tuesday, security update time. And we have on this Patch Tuesday a update, of course, for Windows 10 and updates for Windows 11, both 23H2 and 24H2. So on Windows 11, these are security updates. They're mandatory. I've installed the updates already. So on Windows Update, if I go to my update history, I have the cumulative update for Windows 11, version 24H2. That's the KB50600842. If you're on 23H2, you received KB50609999. And so these, of course, are the security updates for the month. They are important. There are 2 0 days exploited in the wild in here. So that means that it's important to fix this. We'll talk about that in a separate video, just talking about the overall number of updates for security and all of the Microsoft products. I got a malicious tool update. And I have, in my case, a .NET 8 security update. That, of course, depends if you have that version or not on your PC. Not everybody will have this one. It depends on your computer. The funny, weird thing about it is that I have received the update on all of my PCs on Windows 11. But for some reason, I have not received it on my gaming PC. So this is kind of weird because I would have thought that it would have been there. And it's interesting to see that it's missing. So, and if I check right now on that machine, the Windows updates just says that I'm up to date. So I don't know if there's something prevented to update on some machines. It's kind of weird. I will be keeping an eye on that because when it checks for updates, it doesn't actually see it. So anyways, these are, of course, the security updates. They're important to apply, so do apply them as soon as possible, especially with the 0 days, 2 0 days that are exploited in the wild. So these are critical updates. If you are on Windows 11 24H2 and type the winver command, you will have 26100.4349. That will be on 24H2. And if you are on the 23H2, you'll be at 22631.5472. So check your updates. It's time to update your machines. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.